All right, we are here at FU Tommy Long LLC, aka 1128 Slaters Creek, Millersville, Tennessee. That's my protection rock to keep that from getting run over by a vehicle.
Yeah.
You might still hit that, but you're not gonna be happy about it. So what's this?
That is water pressure valve.
No, this is a backflow preventer.
Backflow
We had to put a backflow preventer on here because we got a sprinkler system in this house. And if you ever need a discharge or whatever that's got stagnant water sitting in there and something ever happened at the city's water line and it went backwards, here's a check valve which keeps the water from going that way. And if it had a hammer pressure or something, this right here can release the pressure from the house. We can release it from there. Its whole purpose is if something goes wrong on this side of the line, no water enters the city's water system.
Gotcha.
So that's the purpose of it, is so it doesn't happen. We have a cover that's gonna go over here. It's a stainless steel cover. It'll cover it up, make it look real nice. I just called and let them know that this is actually leaking, so it's brand new, but it's got a leak
What?
somewhere, because I'm seeing the water right there on the bottom. So it's definitely leaking. My fingers got a little bit of water on them, so it's not bad. It's just a small leak somewhere, but either way, it needs to be fixed. For the duplexes, we put one on this side, and we had to put one on that side over there.
One for each.
So one for each house. Can't run them both off the same line. And that is a backflow preventer.